Hey there, math fans, Dr. Andy Lovelace. This is going to be more of a video about what the load is like for teaching faculty in the math department at the University of Washington. I'm curious how that compares to universities elsewhere. So if I have any viewers that are from other colleges, I'd love to compare notes. We teach about 6 classes. We teach 6 classes a year. Pretty much a 2-2-2 quarter schedule. Usually there's 240 students per class, so it adds up to about 1,300 students. Sometimes it's a little less, sometimes it's a little more, but I've basically been doing that for 20 years. There hasn't really been a change, and it's every quarter. I can't find comparables. When I talk to my department, they say, oh yeah, you get paid as well as comparables. I don't know who the comparables are. I'm wondering if there are comparables out there. I know there are people that have it much worse, that are teaching at lots of different colleges, that are more contingent. So we are lucky in the fact that we have sort of stability, but we're the only group on campus that really doesn't have a union or power to voice these concerns. Really, this channel is my platform. I'm hoping I can be on some committees to push this, but it would be very helpful if I could get data from elsewhere. The other thing is freedom. Teaching faculty on our campus don't typically get sabbaticals. No one in our department ever has. I know some have in other departments. We don't. The grants on campus, very few of them can we apply to. They're for tenure track only. So these are things to be aware of, especially as the volume has increased. I sometimes think about this joke from Jim Gaffigan is, what is it like to have a 5th kid? It's like you're drowning and then someone throws you a baby. A lot of our work is like this. We're drowning and then someone says, and now we need you to be on this other committee. And we need you to write 10 letters of recommendation. And we need you to rethink the curriculum. So I find those to be unreasonable asks in this setting. When I compare with the UC system, their faculty never teach more than 4 classes of size 100 each. So they would teach at most 400 students in a year, and their pay is more like 150, 180,000. So they make dramatically more. So there are comparables that are more. So I'm curious what other teaching faculty in math across the country are facing, and hoping we can compare notes, and maybe you can help me as I start speaking with a louder voice on behalf of our teaching faculty on these issues.